Hey guys, welcome back again. So I've purchased the Icons Release Rubik's Cube, which was part of the collaboration between MKBHD and dBrand. So let's get into it. Now, before I go into showing what the packaging actually consisted of, I spent too much time playing with the actual opening of the box. I mean, listen to that. It sounds so satisfying. Props to dBrand on the Lamborghini-esque doors packaging. Definitely a 10/10 on that. Now, finally, we get into the unboxing. So first we have the Rubik's Cube itself. I've seen some videos where it seems that there is some sticky residue on the plain cube. However, mine was pretty clean, to be fair. We then have the 6 individual sheets of the icon decal for each side of the cube, and this comes encased in a sleeve. And finally, it comes with a microfiber cloth, which has the chrome icon imprinted on it. Now we're going to move over to the application stage. Now, before actually applying the decal, the first thing I recommend, which is best to do, is wipe the actual cube with a microfiber cloth. This removes any dust or potential residue that may be on the surface, which can make it difficult for you when applying the decal. Here is where I apply each individual icon on the cube itself. I have condensed this footage down approximately to 7 minutes. I thought it might be useful for those who are in a similar position of applying themselves, so you can feel free to carry on watching or skip next to the results and breakdown of each individual icon. Now, for those of you who are still watching, I put on each icon decal very lightly at first in a linear manner, and then repositioned if necessary so it aligns well. PS, I noticed post-editing that the MKBHD logo is aligned the wrong way around. Also, shout out to JPERM, I will put his link in my bio. His video saved me time as he advised in individually applying each icon, as putting on the whole sheet directly doesn't fit well. This was the final part of the application stage, where it's my attempt to do a quick 360 check to make sure any of the icon vinyls aren't sticking out in the corners or the sides. Now here's a showcase of the finished product. I aimed to align the vinyl as accurately as I could, but overall this Rubik's Cube is sick. I think the way icons was designed was a very simplistic but effective concept. The red really stands out, as you can see in this B-roll footage at different angles. Also, just as a tech enthusiast, I like the way the content of the icons are broad, covering multiple categories. Next, I'm going to give a breakdown on what each icon is. I think this is the first breakdown given online. I haven't seen no official definition so far, therefore disclaimer, this is merely off assumptions, some of which I may have got wrong, and some of which I had no clue on what they resembled. So I would love it if you could leave a comment below to correct any of my mistakes and let me know what those missing ones could be. This is the gaming side of the cube, so we've got Nintendo Game Boy, PlayStation buttons, a graphics card, a keyboard, virtual reality glasses, Nintendo Switch, an Xbox controller, a widescreen monitor, and a mouse. This is the videography side, so you've got an autofocus area, a camera, a tripod, an audio mixer board, camera lens, a drone, the photo contrast symbol, the shutter symbol, and a USB, I think. This is the MKBHD side, so we start off with headphones, then we have 8K video quality, robot camera, speakers, Tesla, unfortunately no idea what that is, Boston Dynamic robot dog, MKBHD logo, and a desk chair. This side resonates computer science to me, so we start off with artificial intelligence, binary storage in zeros and ones, secure key which could be a password, encryption lock, central processing unit in CPU, command line, something to do with dBrand, the all-seeing eye, and unfortunately no idea what that is. The social media side, so we start off with messaging, upload to the cloud, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, the @ sign for emailing, Facebook like button, the World Wide Web, and the Twitter retweet button. Mobile phones, so we start off with Android, Google, Android phone, fast charging, foldable phones, the Apple logo, an Apple iPhone with the notch, the SIM card, and the OnePlus brand. And there we have it. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, share and subscribe. Also let me know in the comments what you thought of the breakdown, where I may have potentially gone wrong and what those missing icon labels could be. Catch you next time.